Hey nom noms, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. You guys are doing fine. You're fabulous. Rimonati. Yes. Okay, so you guys, as you can see, I have no makeup on. I've got my natural hair, which has kind of shrunk because I had a duke on, but it's whatever. Anyways, today, from the title of the video, you can see that I'm actually going to be doing a flawless foundation look for you guys, telling you how you can get that flawless foundation. I know I've done this video before, but I've been getting a lot of compliments on, you know, hey babe, what foundation do you use? It looks like your skin, and you know you're doing good if your foundation actually looks like your skin. So today I'm actually going to be telling you and showing you how I achieve my flawless foundation look. Stay tuned, nom noms. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and before we get into the video, you know what to do. All you need to do is click the subscribe button, the bell, the notifications bell right next to it, so that you're notified every time I post, especially for the newbie nom noms. We gotta keep up, you know. And actually even the old people, the old nom noms who sometimes discover like after a week that hey, she posted a video, that's because you don't have the bell on. Okay, so yeah, all you have to do is do that. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Comment down below because it actually helps with my ratings. It doesn't matter what you comment on. It could be asking for advice, it could be laughing at whatever I said, whatever it is, it helps me. And do share. So yeah, let's get on to the video. Let's go. I need to actually do that, right? Let's go. Okay, I don't. Bye. Okay, nom noms. Now, what you have to do, right, when you're creating a flawless foundation look, if you've got dark spots, I mean, some of us have got more prominent dark spots than others, right? So I use this LA Girl orange concealer because it's great to minimize dark spots. These come in different colors, right? You will get green, which will minimize redness. You get blue, you get peach, you get yellow, and they actually tell you what they minimize. So depending on what you're suffering from, you know what to do, and you know which one to pick. So obviously I'm not really one who suffers from red spots or whatnot. I am a person who's struggling from like acne, scarring, and pigmentation, as you can see around my mouth. So I use this. So the first thing to do is to apply this on all the problem areas. Just the problem areas. So I won't apply here because it doesn't have dark spots and it's a shade light. But here I've got a bit of pigmentation, but I won't really put anything like a lot here because I don't have dark spots here. I've got mostly around here and I've got around here, right? So I will target the places with those dark spots. If you've got like round black circles, you can use that for that as well. I know I look like a clown, it's fine. But you will see the end results. Okay, so all you have to do now is blend. Make sure you blend, guys. Trust me when I say blend. Try to blend this so that it's not as orange as this. You'll have orange undertones, but you should not just leave it like this. See? Okay. Don't worry too much about the redness. It's all gonna disappear soon. But you need this blended as much as possible into your skin. Okay. There. You're not really seeing any darkness anymore. You're just seeing orange, which is exactly what you want, right? You're not seeing dark pigmentation. You're seeing orange, reddish pigmentation, which is fabulous. Okay, then I am gonna show you the foundation that I actually use. Okay, so that's how you didn't want to go ham with this concealer, because if you're someone like me, obviously, because, and here's the reason why, some of the foundations that I use have a red undertone and orange undertone, so you don't want too much, because now you're going to look really orange the moment if the foundation oxidizes, especially if you use an oxidizing foundation. So the oxidizing foundations are the ones that go like a shade or two darker after a while, after wearing it, because they've experienced oxygen, they react with your skin and your sweat, and they turn a bit orangey, right? So you don't want to put too much of this if that's the type of foundation you're using. Okay, during summer, these are the two foundations that I use. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, the 99 Rands foundation. So long, 99 Rands, now it's 102.90. And this is the NYX Total Drop foundation. This one oxidizes more. It turns to be a bit darker than most, but I love because it is seamless, you guys. It literally melts into your skin. It becomes one with your skin. I don't think it goes into your pores, obviously, but it lays so beautifully, so seamlessly. It retails for like I hope I'm not misquoting it, but I think it's like $269 or so, but it's in the 200s. Love it, love it. You guys should try it out. Most of the time I'm wearing this whenever you're like, babes, what foundation do you use? These two are those foundations. Okay, but with whatever foundation you're using, just try and use the method that I'm going to show you as to how you can make it seamless. So what you want to do, right, when you're applying the foundation, you don't want to be too harsh. You can do stroke lines or you can do patting lines. I prefer patting lines, obviously, especially when you are applying, like when you are blending it, because also when you do these, then it creates lines. It's not as seamless as you would like it to be, right? So you're gonna literally pat it. So you're gonna first place the foundation. So I'm gonna place it here, I'm gonna place it here, then I'm gonna place it here, which are the three big areas, right? Then you're gonna literally go around patting it. It also helps that you don't get the orange over the actual foundation. So you will pat it into the skin like so. It's almost like blending it into the skin, right? Blending it into the skin. Okay, see, no more orange, no more orange. Love it. Pat it into the skin. Also, by patting it into the skin, it makes it easier to build your foundation, your coverage up. So for example, if you also have not just acne scarring, but you also have black pimples, right? Acne, which I have first-hand experience with, what you want to do, you don't want to do this, right? Because you're also moving, let's say for example, you're also moving the skin right directly above your acne, and what normally happens is that it breaks, and then you've got all the poison inside that pimple spreading into the rest of your face. And that's why some people think that makeup is not good for you when you have acne. It's because of all the skin manipulation that actually spreads whatever was inside the pimple throughout the skin, right? So what you want to do is pat it, because when you're patting, you are literally focusing on one area at a time, then you move to another, then you move to another, but you're not, you know, trying to break your skin or irritating your skin or irritating that pimple. So you build it up also, because when you're doing this, it's hard to put another layer on top of, like, you doing these sweeping methods. So when you're doing patting methods, then you can go on and put another layer without it removing the first layer that was there. I hope it makes sense. Okay, so you're patting, you're literally patting. You see, now I'm putting a second layer, and you can't even, like, you can see that it's not taking away the layer that was there, but it's just adding another one. And so that's why I was saying it also helps with acne, because when you have acne, you, okay, apart from you irritating your skin, but you can layer it up so that some of your pimples, you see those smaller yellow ones, can almost hide away from the layers. I know it sounds like oh, but like it also helps like professionals as well, like when they're doing makeup on people with acne. And when I was also doing my self makeup, when I had acne, like huge and humongous acne, I tried to make my foundation flawless by building and patting, you know, instead of sweeping, because then you don't see the layers, you just see one layer, and then you see this huge bulging pimple. You see another layer. The one older is still there, but now I'm just putting another one. Okay, so I hope you guys saw that. Now all you need to do is go on, if you're not gonna highlight your contour, you just go on with your normal powder, that's your shade, to just set everything. And you need to do that step, because if you do not do that step, then it's gonna start creasing around here, around your smile lines. You're gonna start seeing those smile lines, and almost like your foundation separating, right? And you don't want that. You're gonna see it here on your forehead as well, if you're someone whose forehead likes swelling. So go on and put your powder to set. Every time you put a liquid, always follow with a powder, you guys. You can't just put liquid and just like, you know, buy it. No. So I hope you guys learned something and you guys actually enjoyed this video, and you found it helpful. If there's something you feel like I've left out, maybe there's something you're unsure about, you know, comment section below is for all of that. I'll answer all your confusion or your questions. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe yet again, and don't forget to comment and share the video. Thank you so much for watching, nom noms. Till next time, love you, bye.